Wow.
Not directed at me.
No, that was specifically directed at her.
No.
In fact, I heard the bus running over. Mr. Brown, did you state your appearance?
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of my client.
Your name?
Daniel Sims.
Thank you.
You get my green paper?
I did.
Okay. Requesting adjournment, Charlie.
You didn't say the reason, but how much time did you need?
Can we get the November date?
Seriously?
Aren't you using the 25th?
Okay. There are three dates left in November.
Yes, sir.
So which
I didn't want to rush.
Do you want the 25th or the 20th?
We'd take the 20th.
The 20th?
Sure. Thank you.
Can I have the November date? Really? Probable cause conference will be adjourned November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Yeah, thank you.
Court calls case, People versus Robert Harris.
Robert Maybell for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Harris, Your Honor. We're requesting adjournment. And may I approach with an order signed, stipulated order signed by the prosecutor?
Your name, sir? Robert Harris. All right.
May we approach?
Yeah, what's the order? Is it treatment?
You're going to want to see it, Judge.
Okay. Sure. Okay. And what I will do is, and I don't have a problem with that order, it's regarding those payments. It's just that, sir, you'll have to pay downtown Ann Arbor at 15th District.
Downtown.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'll sign the order.
Okay.
That's where it needs to be paid.
Understood.
All right.
With the holidays coming, Thanksgiving and Christmas, can he get like to the end of January?
At least past Halloween.
Well, trick or treat. He's asking for late January, so to
For what?
bring
For
some
a
more,
date?
bring some more money. Another installment.
I don't know what you're asking me to do. I'm going to
Adjourn
adjourn it out, but you want me to adjourn it in January?
Yeah, so he can raise some more money. If it's the holidays, Judge. He's got to eat, get presents.
No, I'm not doing January. I don't fall into what Brown asked for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to adjourn it to December 18th, 2025. Let's see where
A
we're
week
at
before
that time.
Christmas.
What?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. December 18th.
I'll put it on Christmas and just treat me and you.
Now, you know about the Grinch.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right before. Thank you, Your Honor. I get that order to you.
Wow. Did you call me the Grinch?
No, I'm smarter than that.
Yeah, I heard it. That's what I'm hearing. Yeah, you better get out of here. Wow. I could be. Except my heart would not grow 3 times too big. Court does call the case of the People versus Dontrell Smith.
Nash calls for the People. Mr. Smith.
Your name, sir?
Dontrell Smith.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Requesting an adjournment.
asking for adjournment, yes, for AIM referrals and a moment to address bond, Your Honor.
If I do the 20th, will that give enough time to
I would put it out further than that.
further than
Yes,
that?
please.
All right. Probable cause conference, I will adjourn it into December 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. All right, as to bond.
Your Honor, we were going to be asking for a reduction in Mr. Smith's bond. Mr. Smith does have another case in 15th District Court, but I believe they're also going to be requesting
In which court?
15. It's just a misdemeanor there. It's an older case. Mr. Smith is from Fort Wayne, Indiana. He has family that lives there.
Before you continue to go on, has he posted the other bonds?
No, I don't believe he has, Your Honor.
Is he going to be able to post those?
I believe they were waiting on this case to perhaps let him out for them to address bond, since this is the bigger deal case.
The only reason I'm asking that is because his bond is set at 1,000, 10%. And
I'd be asking.
It's like holding him. I mean, it's like they gave that bond just because he's incarcerated elsewhere.
On another case. Was it to convert to a personal recognizance bond, or was it just a low cash bond?
I wasn't there.
Okay.
I'm looking at the paperwork and it just says.
Okay.
Ms. Feltes, you wanted to say something?
Your Honor, my understanding is at the time of his arraignment on October 1st, we did request a $3,000 cash surety bond with no 10% with flight risk concerns. The defendant home address is in Indiana, and he had cases and warrants out of multiple states, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, New York, and Michigan. So we were concerned about
The whole Rust Belt.
Your Honor, in that case, we'd prefer to keep him in Washington on the low cash bond.
And again, currently not performed to those cases, but that's my understanding is that on October 1st, that was our request for those reasons.
Oh. Anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Motion for bond reduction is denied
Thank you.
in this case. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Your Honor.
I did. Court calls case of the people versus Carol Holland.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Ms. Hollins, who approaches, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am. I know, finally they helped you with the door. Nobody was helping you. No, you two ought to be ashamed. Your name, ma'am?
Carol Hollins.
Thank you. You're requesting an adjournment.
I am, Your Honor. Sounds like we may be able to resolve this with a misdemeanor eventually. I just need to collect some mitigation information. So I'm asking for 2 weeks. I think that would be sufficient to cover everything we need.
Probable cause conference will be November 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is a Tuesday.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Here you
Court
go.
calls case people versus Jessica.
Now I'm ready. Go for the lead.
Yep.
Morning, Your Honor. Mike Gandy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Stamper signed.
Sir, state your name.
Jesse Stamper.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we do have a resolution. I've gone over his rights with him. I'm just having Mr. Stamper sign the sentencing judge waiver in the plea form. Fill that out. Yes, Your Honor. It's a guilty plea to a use, Judge. There is no sentencing or plea agreement. I have, and Mr. Stamper is currently on probation, but the probation, it's a little unusual. The probation predates this charge, but the date of this incident is before the probation, but I think he should be okay. I have gone over his rights with him.
Plea form indicates he's going to lead to the charge of use of methamphetamine, the 1-year offense. On a successful plea to that charge count. That's the court's full of. understanding.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is our understanding as well, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
State your name.
Jesse Stamper.
Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of use of methamphetamine. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $2,000 fine plus court cost. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You also understand that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Barr in the 1482 District Court. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm on probation.
All right. Were you on probation at the time of this offense?
No.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plea?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
Nope.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, sir.
and of your own free will.
Yes.
And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense, sir?
Yes, sir.
On the date of July 4th, 2022, at the location of 724 North River Street, City of Ypsilanti, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, did you have methamphetamines in your possession?
Yes, sir.
Had you used them?
Yes, sir.
Did you know what you were using was meth?
Yes.
All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled, nor would the court be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Judge.
And have I complied with the court rule?
You are satisfied.
Defense is satisfied.
The court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 1482. Probation sentencing in this matter will be December 10th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Barr.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the people versus Amanda James.
Trevor Maybell for the people.